how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh my God, it's just so hot out today. I even have to get some ice cream for myself. But you know what? This is not really the best solution to keep myself cool while driving. So I really want to talk to you to find out more.
Okay, well, you came to the right place. Let's go to the shop so I can show you what we have.
Ice cream aside, when it comes to your car, window tinting should be a shade above the rest.
Window film and the window tint help you keep you cool inside, and of course protect your interior from sun damage.
Not only does it protect your interior, it also reduces glare and improves the overall look of your car while keeping it cool and looking cool.
We are certified and then sealed by the Skin Cancer Foundation, so we are going to protect you and your family from harmful skin cancer.
Not all window tint product is created equal, and choosing the right window film is sometimes confusing in a crowded marketplace. With the help of our friends at Film Kings, we'll show you what you need to know to find the film that's right for you and the importance of getting a professional installation.
Rayno's mission is we are really trying to bring the true innovation for the window industry.
Being that Rayno is so affordable as well as performs so well, it definitely solved a lot of the problems that our customers had walking in. They weren't only looking for good performance film, but when they hear the price, it really sells itself.
Rayno has developed two films, the Phantom and the monocarbon.
The Rayno Window Film Phantom series is a nano carbon ceramic hybrid window film. Carbon films, they are good for the color stability, but the problem is the size of the carbon particle itself is too big, so it redirects all the incoming light and give the hazy look. So Rayno tried to scale down the size of the carbon particle down to nanoscale. For the ceramic, they are good for the clarity of the window film, but they tend to oxidize easily over time. So Rayno, what we did, we actually encapsulated the particle of the ceramic so that it can be more sustainable and then does not really oxidize and keep their clarity.
The combination of carbon and ceramic results in a higher level of color stability without sacrificing clarity. The second film is Rayno's monocarbon. The monocarbon is a 2-ply, true carbon-based window film.
There's no dye, there's no metal. It's going to be a little bit more affordable, and it improves the overall look of your car, and most importantly, it's going to reduce the heat inside. So we're going to check the clear window without tinting and compare it to the Rayno Phantom S9 tinted window. With a clear window, our solar power meter shows over 100.
When it comes to Rayno window film, the heat rejection is incredible. The performance is great, and you also get infrared rejection.
The heat performance and heat rejection of Rayno's nanocarbon ceramic film keeps your car and your ice cream cool from the hot sun.
This is the window Louis just tinted with the Rayno Phantom S9. Let's check how much heat it blocks. 18. Only 18 of the heat energy comes through the window.
Outdoor weather conditions play a big role in the lifespan of window films, with direct exposure to sunlight making your average tint deteriorate.
So you see that dyed window film actually faded faster than carbon or carbon ceramic film.
If you want to preserve your car's tint and ice cream a little longer, visit raynofilm.com or our website at designingspaces.tv.